The Nehru Boat Race is an annual event celebrating the spirit of Kerala's vibrant culture. It is held at the Panamata Lake, Alleppey. The competing teams prepare themselves and beautifully decorate their boats several months before the event. These snake boats are paddled at impressive speeds, igniting an athletic spirit in the serene backwaters. Thousands of spectators from around the world come to witness this spectacle. And the winning team, which battles its way towards victory, is awarded the prestigious Nehru Trophy. Come, watch the excitement.